Come here.
This is my favorite place.
Your favorite real place, soldier. Not some flibberty-flobberty fantasy
So
land.
dramatic. Come here.
But it is real, Miss Hernandez.
Come on.
That's my mom. That's my homework.
That's your homework? All right, come on.
Try drawing it. My homework. I said draw my homework. I said draw my homework.
Grab your homework. Hello and welcome to Naturally Breezy. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do me and my daughter's projected style for the week, and I will also be showing you how to do a 3-strand twist. This style is super quick and easy for you and your minis, so let's get started. I'm going to be showing you how I do my hair because trying to get a 3-year-old to sit down and be still was not going to happen. So yeah, but we have the same hairstyle, so don't worry. Now I'm starting with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. I use the main choices Do It For The Culture line for this style. I use the shampoo conditioner, the accomplished triple layer leave-in, along with the Sheen spray as well. Now when I'm moisturizing my hair, I always do the lock method, which is leave-in oil or cream. And that seems to work wonders for my high porosity and color treated hair. And I'm also going to be using Eco Styler's black castor oil and flaxseed gel. This gel works wonders with my curls. I also love Cream of Nature's Edge Control with the argan oil in it. But I've been using this gel for the past couple months or so, and my hair seems to love it. So after I get done applying the gel all around, I comb in through just a little bit, not too much, and then I begin to braid. Now I will apologize in advance because this angle here is the worst, but I hope you get the gist of what I'm going for here. Now if you can't cornrow, you can always do a flat twist. I've tried it with both a cornrow and a flat twist, and you get the same results. I told you the angle is the worst, but I'm gonna do better next time. I promise. So after all of my bad angles, once we finish the braid, we're just going to pin it up out the way for now. And we're going to get started on these twists. Now I'm using the main choices, Ancient Egyptian 24 karat gold twisting gel. As you can see, I love me some main choice. And sidebar, I am way overdue for a color refresh. I don't know why, but the color here is picking up like a grayish, bluish, but like in real life, it is really like a teal color. Which is weird, I know. So I need help deciding on what color I should do next. It's summertime, so I'm thinking I need something that's going to like pop. And yeah, so let me know in the comments below what color you think I should do next. So right here, you just see me here. I'm just making the part to get started with my first set of twists that I'm going to start doing. Now I'm going to try my best to explain the process of a 3-strand twist. It's not hard once you get it down. It's just the getting started is what takes time to get used to. I remember when I first started doing 3-strand twists, I immediately went into doing the plait. Like my hands just wanted to make a plait. So I had to train myself to do a twist instead of a plait. But I promise you'll get it. It's not that hard. Alright, so here we go. You're going to split your hair into 3. Now the next clip is going to be a slowed down a little bit for you so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Now with a 3-strand twist, you're basically twisting your hair in a circle. Whereas with a plait, you're normally crisscrossing your hair. So that's the only difference. You're going in a circle. So you're going to take that piece on the end there and you're going to bring it underneath the middle piece. You're kind of like crossing them over. And after you've done that, you're going to take the other piece on the end and you're going to bring it over the piece that's now in the middle. And just repeat those same steps. Go underneath and then bring the other piece over. It's like a under-over technique, but you're going in a circle instead of crossing. Whenever I'm doing a twist, I like to say in my head, under and over, so that way I know to bring the pieces underneath, then over. Right here, I'm doing it in real time so you can see exactly how it looks in real time. It's under, over, under, over. And she's like going in a circle. And then once you get towards the end, you're going to keep twisting. And you're going to twist it off and then twirl at the ends and you're all done. See how simple that was? Don't worry, if you didn't get it that time, I will be showing you again a slowed down clip, also in real time, how to do a 3-strand twist. Now I will say, the more you practice and try at it, you will get it down pat, no problem. When I first started doing 3-strand twists, it took me a minute to get it down pat. But after I did them so much and so often, it was like second nature to me. And I love the results better than a 2-strand twist. With a 3-strand twist, I get more definition and more volume, which I love big hair, so I'm always down for a 3-strand twist out. I'm going to show you again in real time so that way you can get a better angle and another view, just in case you didn't get it the first time. Go under and over, under, over. Once you get to the end there, just twirl it off and voila. Now these next few clips here are just me finishing off the twist. It's a pretty simple hairstyle, like I said. The longest part of the hairstyle will probably be the twist, but once you finish those, then you're all done. And this is a quick and easy protective style for you and your daughter's hair. especially with the Florida humidity. Any hair off of my neck, I am down for. Hear me doing the last twist here. And just like that, we're finished. And that's pretty much it. Told you this style was so quick and easy to do. Took me maybe 30 minutes. I didn't time myself. Next time, I will. And there's me and my mini-me. And she loved this hairstyle just as much as I did. And she loves twinning with mommy. Hey, thank you so much for watching and joining us today. Be on the lookout for more protective styles to come from me and my mini-me. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and share this video with your fellow curly mommies out there. I'm sure they'll love doing this with their mini-me's as well. And as always, be breezy.